Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 with a broken charging port. So that means we're going to replace the charging board. So let's get on board. First thing we're gonna do is try to see if it's even charging, and for now it does charge, but I think there's an issue with the speed of which this smartphone is charging. You can see there that we have been charging this for quite some time, but still at 3%. So there's definitely an issue with the charging board. So with the Galaxy Z Flip 3, you have two compartments of parts. So obviously the board for the charging is on the bottom portion. So we're gonna focus more on this part. We're gonna remove the back cover, slice through the adhesive. David, being the Samsung Galaxy expert, find no problem in removing the back cover. You just take a lot of time, but no issue at all. Look at that clean slice. You have to cut them. And there you go. Now we're gonna lay that flat on the table and remove the screws. It's covering it. There's a lot of screws for this board alone. Just gonna lift up the film. I think that's for the wireless charging or the NFC. And now there's still more screws and connectors that we need to remove. And here is the charging board. Not that difficult, but very, very fragile. See that? That's the broken board. And we're gonna replace it straight away. You can still repair this by changing the chip on the board itself, but it's gonna take a microscope and some advanced tools. However, if you could just replace the entire part, you skip all the troubleshooting, and this part is not really that expensive in my opinion. So it's better to just replace it straight away. Give it all brand new parts for the charging board and get on with your life. We're gonna screw it in and then connect the connectors for the main board on top. Before we close it up, we need to charge it first, see if it's working, and the new charging board is okay. We're gonna proceed now to our final reassembly. Put back the SIM card, try to turn that on. You can see there's also a small screen on top. When you fold it, you can still see information about your smartphone, which is very clever. So it's now okay. Everything is working, including the SIM card for the cell antenna. So if you want this kind of repair, guys, if you have a brand new or an old Z Flip from Samsung, you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We have the best Samsung repair service in town. David here offers it on very reasonable prices. So what are you waiting for? You should head over to us. And before you visit Vivid Sydney this year, you might as well pay us a visit before the shop closes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.